Hello guys, welcome to a very simple presentation of the Crowd1 concept. My name is Alex. I have been a member in this company since it started in 2019, early 2019. When I first had a look at this concept, I had a really strong gut feeling for Crowd1. I understood directly that this was something above the ordinary, but simpler than anything that I ever looked at before. So the founder of Crowd1 is Jonas Werner. He is a flagship in itself within the networking and marketing business. He has more than 20 years experience in this, and for the past years he and his team has been building and developing this idea and the technical aspects of Crowd1. The company's CEO is Johan Stahl von Holstein. He is an icon within the IT business. He has founded and taken 3 previous companies to the Nasdaq stock exchange. It's Icon Media Labs, iCube, Let's Buy It. You probably have heard a few of these. Right now, Johan is focusing to take Crowd1 to the stock exchange. Another thing that is really cool about Crowd1 is that the whole team is based in Sweden. The developers of the platform is also sited in Stockholm in Sweden. So that's really, really cool. Complete Swedish entrepreneurial quality in this project. So what is Crowd1 and how does it work? The easiest way to understand Crowd1 is to look at already established centralized platforms. So on the left side we have platforms where the companies itself do all the advertising so that you and me find our way there, and they connect external companies. A good example is Spotify. We pay directly to Spotify, right? And Spotify in turn spreads out the payment to the artists that we listen to. Spotify keeps a small part of every transaction. This is the business idea of a centralized marketplace. The same thing is with Uber and Hotels.com. They don't own taxis or hotels, so they just facilitate the transfer. The first platform that Crowd1 is releasing, that we can earn money on, is created for a huge entertainment industry. It's the online casinos, gambling and betting. It's a money machine that never closes. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When we go to sleep, people are gambling. When we, go to work, people are gambling all over the world. When we sit on the bus, people are gambling. Everything is based on mobile nowadays. So all these players, all these customers have their own casinos at all times in their pockets. Right? So it's very smart. The casinos earning, huge money on this. I think that you already know about this. Most people know that casinos is huge business. Right now, you and me can earn money instead by becoming a member in Crowd1. You will place yourself in this stream of revenue. So, Afilgo, when does it open, and do you think it's really going to work? Well, it's already working because Afilgo has already launched. It launched just 4 or 5 weeks ago. We already have, from the start, incredibly renowned partners on this platform. They want to take part of our network, 1.3 million members that knows about online gaming. We grow by thousands every day. These companies, for example, Betway, Codere, ComeOn, Premier Bet, they saw the opportunity to expand with us, and many, many more companies are coming into Afilgo platform as we speak. So how does the revenue sharing work really? This is important to understand, so you know how you are going to be paid residual income, for example. So on the right side, you see the Afilgo platform, and they connect the partners. The partners make money when customers from the network and external customers starts to gamble through Afilgo. 50% of all the profits that they gain through Crowd1 and Afilgo stays with Afilgo. 20% goes to Crowd1. This is the business idea. This is the stream that will keep the company sustainable, profitable. 40% goes to all the members that buy educational package in Crowd1, because in these packages the company gives us free owner rights. Then we take part of this large profit pool from Afilgo. The last 40% goes out into the network levels, and this is where you can make really, really nice money with Crowd1. So take this very seriously, is my recommendation. Help us build a network and start to earn really nice residual from owner rights, passive, and passive active from the network levels. So how does the future looks for Crowd1? Is Afilgo the only product? No, because in the end of 2020, this year, Crowd1 will launch the next platform that we also will take advantage of, that we also will earn money from. This platform is created for e-gaming, social gaming, applications, gaming applications like, for example, Candy Crush, Farmville, The Sims, and games like that. It's a huge industry. And think of it, if you're not gambling, maybe you're not the type of person that, plays on poker sites during the nights. If you're not gambling, you're most certainly gaming. So this platform is for you. And I think you can compare this platform with Google Play or the App Store, but here we can profit instead. So it's a huge opportunity. Very, very smart, if you ask me. So how do you get started in Crowd1? You talk to the person that showed you this video. This person will help you register. It only takes 2 minutes. You need to choose what type of education package you want to buy. Most people start with gold. If you want the best package, then they start with titanium. That gives you owner rights for 3,500 euro. But the cost of the package is 2,499. So this is what you pay. If you get the gold package, you get owner rights for 1,000 euro, but you pay only 799 euro. And if you want to start, a bit lower, then you can start with the black package. You get owner rights for 300 euro, and you pay 299. And you can, at any moment, you can decide to upgrade, and then you pay only the difference between the next package. You can pay directly to Crowd1 by bank transfer. You can use the different cryptocurrencies if you prefer that, or you can buy a gift code from an existing member. So you have several fast ways to get started in the Crowd1. So guys, take this seriously. Do good work in Crowd1 and you will get paid handsomely. I promise you that. Thank you very much for listening.